Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, I'm so sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I'm really sorry. It was a mistake on my part because I knew I was going out, but I didn't know how long I was going to stay, where I was probably going to. And I would have made a video and probably edited it on the way while I was probably in the bus or something. But I'm so sorry. And when I got back home, I was just stupidly late yesterday. I got back home really late and I couldn't make a video. I couldn't do anything because the light wasn't good. PHCN, no fuel in the gen, so it was just horrible. I felt bad. So today I'm gonna make up for it. Okay, it's just like killing two birds with one stone. I'm gonna make something because yesterday I was supposed to make something, while today I was probably gonna make a review. So I'll just talk about the stuff I'll make, but I'll give more, I'll enlighten it more, okay, than what I would have done yesterday. Okay, so there was actually a customer of mine who walked up to me and said, Nikki, you're always talking about creams, shower gels, scrubs, but you never talk about body oils. Now we're going towards December. Sorry, December. It's December. Sorry about that. We're going towards December. What are we supposed to use? Because our skin will be dried. And our moisturizer would not cut it out anymore. And I was like, yeah, that's true. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your body oils. Now, it's not a must you use the oil I'm using right now. Because one, there's something you should know about oils, essential oils, carrier oils. You roll with the oils that are suitable for your skin type. Okay, just because Madam A is using avocado oil, you should know avocado oil is very good for anti-aging. There's a certain age or category of people that are meant to use it. Doesn't mean Madam A that is in her 20s should use avocado oil. Hope you get my drift. Okay, now this is a container I'll use for the body oil. This is 50 ml. Now you can actually use your own 100 ml, 200 ml, whichever you want. Just listen to the measurements. The measurement is what matters. This is 50 ml of the container I'm going to be using. It's 50 ml. You use 100 ml as I said earlier. Well, for this 50 ml, we need our base oil. Our base oil meaning a carrier oil that is going to be suitable for your skin, that will absorb oil well. We don't need to use almond oil. So if you're thinking of using almond oil, scrap it out. You can't use almond oil because almond oil takes a long time before it absorbs on the skin. So you don't need oil that takes a while to absorb. Almond oil is very good when you apply it with your scrub or something. It's really good because when you apply with your scrub, it takes a while before it absorbs, but it opens your pores and the oil moisturizes it. And when you use your cream, imagine how your skin is going to look good. But when it comes to body oils, don't do that because it absorbs late. And you're going to be working, you're going to be going out in the sun. You don't want the dust getting attached to your skin, make it look dirty and you know what I mean. So now, and some people will be like, okay, but why did you tell us to use almond oil with scrub? Remember, after scrubbing your body, you wash it off. Aha, now you get me. So if we're going to use oil, it's advisable you use argan oil. Okay, if you're going to use any oil, advisable you use argan oil because one, argan oil works for all skin type. It's beautiful. You can also use jojoba oil. That is what people call it. They call it jojoba oil. Or you can use jojoba oil. You should probably want to use jojoba oil because jojoba oil also works for all skin type, and at the same time it's good for people with acne prone skin. Now people who probably have body spots and the rest, it's preferable you go for jojoba oil. But you don't have body spots but you want to use oil for normal skin, go for all skin type, normal skin, sensitive skin, everything. You use argan oil to help shimmer your skin as your base oil. Now for your base oil, you fill up your base oil to half of this bottle. That is your base oil. Your base oil is meant to be half of this bottle, but you can actually go further and make it like 3/4 of the bottle. That is here. Okay, you can make it, you can almost fill it up, but no, I wouldn't. The reason why I'm saying half is preferable because one, if you fill it up to this part, remember your nourishing oil is going to come up because you need to nourish your body. It's just like you eating food. You need to eat fruits as well to help give you a good skin, make you go to toilet and all that, to come out easy. So you need here, this half part should be your base oil, while this other part should be your nourishing oil. Now for our nourishing oil, I know some people be like, which oil can we use as our nourishing oil? There are so many oils you can use as your nourishing oil, but it's preferable you use evening primrose as your nourishing oil. One, evening primrose go for all skin type. It can be taken internally, and it's just really, really good. It's good for the skin. Imagine when you take evening primrose internally as pills. You know, people take it as this like this sea fish, something like a cod liver oil. Yeah, like cod liver oil pills, as transparent as that thing is. That is how evening primrose pills are. If you take it, you notice it comes out in your skin. People would notice there's a change. Okay, so I'm not going to give you an exception. It's advisable you use evening primrose because it's really, really good for your nourishing oil. It's really good. I wouldn't say you should probably go for another nourishing oil, because one, the best nourishing oil you could get there is evening primrose to be your second oil. Since you're putting your base oil as half, your nourishing oil will be here. Then to fill it up is your essential oil. Now there are so many essential. You can choose chamomile oil, you can choose, but I choose lavender oil. The reason why I'm going for lavender oil is, one, lavender oil rolls with all skin. It's good for soothing the skin, calming the skin, healing the skin. Chamomile oil also heals the skin, but not as much as lavender oil rolls with all skin. So if you're going for a body oil, go for a body oil that you know, or probably you want to sell it. Go for a body oil that works for all skin, but does not select a particular skin. That is why Neutrogena actually it's won an award for being the best oil, because one, though that oil is expensive, I must say, contains a sesame oil. Their base oil is sesame oil, which is good, but not everyone likes the smell. Though there's another Neutrogena oil that doesn't have smell, but not everyone probably wants sesame oil. There are people who probably just like, you know what, I don't want sesame oil, I want avocado oil. You know, I want this oil, I want that oil, I don't want sesame oil. But Neutrogena oil is good, and they used oils that are preferable with all skin type. Why not go for oils that are preferable with all skin type? That is why I'm giving you the oils that roll well with all skin type as your body oil, so you won't have people complaining, because there are some body oils, there are some oils naturally that when you apply it on the skin, it gives irritation. I remember when I used witch gem oil and I had a breakout when I was in school. I had just a little breakout. Since I have an acne prone skin, sensitive skin, that I'm prone to acne, I made a mistake to use witch gem oil as my sunscreen lotion. Honey, you needed to see my face. It was horrible. It just came out boom, like that. It just kept coming. Chum, 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 chum. Kept applying on my. So there are some oils you just need to stay off, that they are not for you. Not that they are not good, but they are not suitable for your skin. Okay? That's why I took my time. I'm repeating it again so you guys could listen. So I took my time to make sure you're using base oils that are suitable, nourishing oils that are suitable for all skin type. An essential oil that we know is soothing, lavender oil has proven to be so good and works for all skin. It doesn't select a particular skin. So now let's go. This is my argan oil. I'm using argan oil, okay, plain argan oil. And one, argan oil has been proven to glow the skin. So if you probably have body spots on your body, it's preferable you use jojoba oil. Okay, you replace the argan oil with jojoba oil. You fill it up into this bottle. That's half cup of this bottle. Half of this bottle is what you're going to put it in. So that's what I'm going to do now. But if you have a normal skin where you probably do not have irritation and all that, honey, argan oil is just suitable for you. But if you're an aging woman, you know, you've aged, and go for avocado oil as your base. Okay, so here, let's fill it up here. Hey, yeah, now you can see it. This is half of the oil. You can see it, half of our argan snail oil. I have to cover it back. Okay, all right. Okay, now this is our evening primrose. Sorry, I'm going back and forth. I'm really sorry. Now this is our evening primrose. The reason why I'm using evening primrose, I already told you now. Apart from the fact that it works for all skin type, it can be taken internally, which is really good, and it's also very good for acne prone skin. Really good for people with acne prone skin. If you have an acne prone skin and you're using evening primrose, oh my god, it's so good. If you're taking it internally, just like the way they take cod liver oil, the oil is actually good. So this is how you you mix it, so you put it like this, almost filling it but not completely filling it. Here, yeah. And you've got evening primrose. That's your nourishing oil. They call evening primrose nourishing oils. They are oils that are meant to be your base. Those are carrier oils, okay? So to fill it up will be our lavender oil. This is our lavender oil. I'm sorry I'm wearing shimmy. We call it shimmy in Nigeria, shimmy. Well, there's no light and there's heat like crazy. So for our lavender oil, we have to fill it up to this part and we shake the oil. And that's what I'm going to do now. Just being careful so it doesn't get to spill out. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm winking at you guys. Okay, now for this oil, we just have to shake it together. Yeah, I know some people be like, can I add 4 or 5 oils? Well, it's always advisable to add 3 oils. Your base oil, your nourishing oil, and your essential oil. To give it a good smell, good scent, soothing, healing, and helping. And the nourishing oil will do a good work. Okay? So now, you take the oil. So during, probably when you're in a place where probably during December, or even when it's not December, it's you've just finished taking your bath, you know, your body is a bit damp, not completely dried, you know, it's still a bit wet, not all that wet. Then you apply your oils so that it goes down well, moisturizes your skin well. You know, look at the difference when I added oil here, and imagine now you won't even notice I added oil because one, it's quickly absorbed on the skin, so you can see how absorbed it is compared to when you use almond oil. If you use almond oil, it doesn't absorb quickly, so you need oils that really absorb well on the skin, and also nourishing oils that are suitable for your skin, and essential oils that are good. So but choose oils, I'm going to advise you, choose oils that roll well with all skin type. If you're probably going to sell it, and even if you don't want to sell it, you probably want to use it for yourself, honey, choose oils that are suitable for all skin type, so you're not going to have any complaints or whatsoever, because there are some oils that tend to give the skin irritation. You know, when it doesn't go well with your skin, as I said earlier, it might give you breakouts, or might probably give you some maybe tags or things you probably do not like on your skin, or even leave your skin dried. There are some oils that are suitable for dry skin. There are some oils that are suitable for oily skin. That's why I said, if you probably know the oils, or probably you know your skin type, and you probably know oils that are suitable for your skin type, all well and good. But you must have a base oil, you must have a nourishing oil, and you must also have an essential oil to do your body oil. So this is it. So now, if you want to make it in a big batch or something, just take it the way I just said it. Now fill it up with half of your base oil. Then your nourishing oil will almost fill up the cup, fill up the container. Then your essential oil will fill it up completely, and you just shake it up. So each time you want to use it, shake it up and you apply it on your body. So imagine, you just absorb quickly, but that doesn't mean it won't do a good work. It will do a good work on your body. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, being Thursday. And if you've been watching my channel from the beginning till this time and you've not subscribed, honey, please subscribe, like, share my video, and I love you guys like kilo day. Bye guys.